Alright guys, welcome back. So on this 2012 Toyota Highlander, customer complained about his driver side window won't work. So he bought some new part, window regulator and thing and switch, right? Install it. It's still not working. So I'm gonna show you guys what is going on. So right underneath the key panel right here to the driver side, I have to remove this cover right here. Screw off this piece, and all the way down in this hole you see these wires. There are some corrosion. Let me see if I can get to show you guys. It's that blue wire at the corner. You see that green stuff on it, that corrosion, guys. I'm gonna have to remove it and clean those contacts. And also down here, that green one right there as well is corrode. So I'm gonna have to remove all of those and clean it and keep you posted on the other part of the video, guys. So stay tuned. Alright, I'm back, guys. So these are the wires that messed up. That goes to the door, as you can see right here. Go to the door. As you can see right here, it's super corrode. So it's green stuff. So I'm gonna clean it, and hopefully it will fix the problem. And this is the other part that goes inside here, inside the panel. You can see super corrode. That's it. So I'm going to clean it with this first. I'm going to spray some of this brake cleaner because this can clean it really good. And I'm going to spray some WD-40 in there and plug it back together and test it. And this is the other one I already cleaned. This one I can see it's not too bad now. So I'm going to plug it back inside there and check the other wires and make sure none of them corrode as well. Put some WD-40. And we're good to get some dielectric grease and squeeze it inside here to prevent further corrosion in the future. That's it, guys. So I'll show you guys when it starts work. So stay tuned for the other part of the video. Alright, so this is another part of the video, guys. So one of the wire broke off. So this white one, it goes to the switch as well. That white one right there. So putting it like this, let me see. So if you turn it like this, it should line up with that blue. Yeah, it should line up. So you come from this hole right here. So you're gonna line up with this blue wire right here, this one. So I'm gonna splice it into this one, this white one, and it should work. So that's it. Alright guys, so now I made the connection right here. As you can see, connect to the blue one. So I'm gonna get some tape. I'm gonna solder it and get some tape, or if I don't have any solder, I can get some connector and join it together and tape it. And now I put it together, guys. So I'm gonna test the window now. It wasn't working before. Now it's working. There you go, guys. So that's it. So I hope this video helped you all out there, guys. So if you find this video useful, please like, share, comment and subscribe. Thank you.